If you've just gone through microneedling, you're probably searching for the best moisturizers to soothe and heal your skin. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Dr. Althea 345 Relief Cream. Priced at $22.95, this cream immediately caught my eye with its blend of soothing ingredients like niacinamide and plant extracts. If you want to tackle post-microneedling redness and achieve clearer skin, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The niacinamide helps reduce dark spots and blemishes, which is crucial when your skin is sensitive and healing. Plus, it's packed with ceramide NP and hyaluronic acids to lock in moisture, something your freshly treated skin desperately needs. With over 60,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear this cream is a go-to for many. Now, some people did mention that they found the texture slightly thicker than expected, which might not be for everyone. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for intense hydration and soothing properties, the texture provides that without feeling greasy, so it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have sensitive skin and are looking for a reliable moisturizer. Skip this one if you prefer a lightweight gel, but honestly, for the price and benefits, it's a great value. Product number 2, Avène Tolerance Control Cream. Next up is the Avène Tolerance Control Soothing Skin Recovery Cream, retailing for $38. This cream stood out because of its promise to calm skin discomfort in just 30 seconds. If you're battling post-microneedling, tingling, and burning sensations, this is definitely worth a look. What's impressive about this cream is its ability to soothe tightness and discomfort quickly, which is exactly what your skin craves after microneedling. It's formulated to restore your skin's natural barrier and provide lasting hydration. If you've dealt with irritation after treatments, this can be a lifesaver. Plus, it has a solid reputation with over 7,000 units sold recently, indicating trust among users. That said, there are a few complaints about its slightly higher price point, which some users feel is a bit steep for the amount of product. But if you truly need quick relief from discomfort, I think that price is justified. This is ideal for anyone needing instant soothing after microneedling. However, if you're on a tight budget, you might want to explore more affordable options. But honestly, it's a worthy investment for the relief it provides. Product number 3, Dr. Althea 147 Barrier Cream. Priced at $27, this one caught my attention because it's specifically designed to strengthen your skin barrier after treatments like microneedling. If you need deep hydration and protection, this deserves your attention. What makes this cream special is its infusion of azulene, which strengthens your skin's barrier against moisture loss. It's loaded with 4 types of ceramides, meaning it delivers essential nutrients to your skin, keeping it radiant and healthy. Plus, the 7 different types of hyaluronic acid provide long-lasting hydration, something I know my skin craves after microneedling. With 6,000 units sold recently, it's clearly popular. But, fair warning, a few users mentioned they found it doesn't absorb as quickly as they hoped. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something that offers intense hydration and barrier protection, this is a minor issue that most won't mind since the results are worth it. This is great for anyone needing to restore their skin barrier. But if you prefer lighter, faster absorbing moisturizers, this might not be your best bet. Still, it offers great value for what it delivers. Next, we have the Brun SC Control Botanical Stem Cell Ampule, available for $35.80. This serum really piqued my interest because it promises to enhance skin aesthetics while being gentle post-treatment. If you're looking for something that also brightens and revitalizes your skin, this is worth considering. What's cool about this serum is its low molecular weight, which means it absorbs quickly into your skin. This is critical after microneedling when your skin needs a little extra love. It's designed to make your skin look fresh and smooth, and with 2,000 units sold recently, users seem to love it. Plus, being cruelty-free and made in South Korea adds to its appeal. However, some users felt it didn't provide enough hydration on its own. Here's my take. If you layer this with another moisturizer, it can really elevate your skincare game without being heavy. This is perfect for anyone seeking a boost in radiance after microneedling, but skip it if you're just after straightforward hydration, as this is more of a treatment booster. Overall, it's a solid addition to your skincare routine. Now, if you want something specifically hydrating, check out my next recommendation. Product number 5, ZealC Hyaluronic Acid Serum, priced at an affordable $16.99. This one really caught my eye due to its EWG certification and promise to deeply hydrate sensitive skin. If hydration is your main concern after microneedling, this might be your best bet. The standout feature here is the 4D hyaluronic acid, which provides intense hydration and helps maintain a dewy glow throughout the day. It's also combined with vitamin B5, which enhances your skin's natural barrier, perfect for post-microneedling care. The fact that over 1,000 units have been sold speaks to its popularity among users. However, some users mentioned they wished it had a more luxurious texture. But honestly, if you're just looking for effective hydration post-treatment, this won't let you down. This is ideal for anyone seeking an affordable yet effective hydrating serum. But if you prefer a creamier texture, you might want to look elsewhere. Still, for the price, it's an excellent value. So, to recap, we've covered the Dr. Althea 345 Relief Cream, Avène Tolerance Control Cream, Dr. Althea 147 Barrier Cream, Brune SC Ampoule, and ZealC Hyaluronic Acid Serum. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Dr. Althea 345 Relief Cream because of its powerful combination of soothing and hydrating ingredients that are crucial after microneedling. I'd recommend avoiding the Avène Tolerance Control Cream if you're on a budget, as it can feel pricey for some. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.